Hey family, this is Darlene, Jewelry by BDK. I wanted to stop by today and show you some of the necklaces I've been working on. Some real simple wire wrapped pendant earrings that hang from a cotton cord. The lengths are anywhere from 16 inch to 34 inch, and the 34 inch are for buyers who buy them and they want to tie the knots, the adjustable knots on the necklaces. These can be found on my Etsy store at Jewelry by BDK. CO for Jewelry by BDK Company, Jewelry by BDK CO. And this is just some of the wire wrap pendants that I have ready so far. I am adding more inventory to the Etsy shop every day, so there will be new designs every day. And I'm not really sure if I'm gonna just supply the store with just these wire wrap necklaces, or if I'm gonna continue to add other designs like I have on there now. So go over, take a peek, grab a couple items if you like them. Jewelry by BDK, CO, and my Etsy shop. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for stopping by.